you burying your head underneath there? This is why I have not been able to make my bed. What are you doing? You're so silly, Shelby girl. Are you burying yourself under my covers? Huh? Hey! Hey! Whoa! Extreme glows up. Don't lick. Don't lick. Hi. Good morning. How are you today? You a good girl? Huh? Did the thunder wake you up last night? You're a sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. It's dark in Mama's room, huh? And you're trying to cover up and go night-night? Hey guys, I am just going to give you a few snippets of my day today. I don't know. I don't have anything in particular to share. And I kind of just thought, why not? I'm in the process. I'm fixing to clean my kitchen and clean up my fridge and start my grocery list because today is grocery day. So anyway, I have been using a new product. This is actually for my spring seasonal FabFitFun box. It's the OI. It's a leave-in conditioner. And the funny thing is, when I was going through a few of my Ipsy bags, no, I was going through a drawer where I have all of the Ipsy products that I still haven't used yet. And I had one of these in there. So it's been here all along. But let me tell you, this stuff is amazing. It is worth every penny. I'm not sure what this retailed for. I'll look it up. And I will leave, I know that you can get some of this brand on Amazon, which I love Amazon Prime. I will link a whole thing on this product from Amazon down in the description box below if you want to check them out. Apparently there's all kinds of stuff. I always have trouble because my hair texture is very fine. So if I use a lot of product, it weighs it down and it just feels disgusting. Because it is fine, I do wash it daily. I know they say you're not supposed to, but if I don't, it's gross. It doesn't restyle well. It's just gross. And so I do wash my hair daily. I wash, shampoo, and condition daily. I really need to get a better shampoo and conditioner. That is going to be my next thing that I'm going to do. I probably can order that on Amazon too. Amazon. But I thought I'm gonna give this a try. And I gave it a try on Monday morning, on April Fool's Day of all days. I thought, well, if anything, I can maybe pull it off as a joke. It was amazing. It didn't leave my hair feeling, you know how sometimes you put in a leave-in conditioner, your hair just feels gross and maybe even slimy on your hands? This did not feel that way. It smells it's got a clean smell to it. But it doesn't weigh my hair down. In fact, I have a lot more body in my hair. You can't tell right now because of the camera angle. But as I blow dry it, it just, I don't know. It's an amazing product. It's definitely something that I will continue to use on a regular basis. So this will go in my daily product bin. I don't know. I just thought I would share this with you because it's definitely pretty mind-blowing. I love it. So if you have fine textured hair and you find that your hair, because I do wash it, it does get dry feeling. And honestly, it gets frizzy when it gets dry. Sorry, my blinds are open and I just see cars passing by. It gets frizzy feeling and dry and brittle feeling, but you guys, I even went outside and it's so humid today because we had thunderstorms throughout the night and it's just, everything's wet and soggy, but my hair did not frizz up. It is laying in place, and I really kind of just run the straightener through just around my face just to make sure that those pieces aren't flipping up. And that's it. It has cut down my hair fixing time and given me a little bit of confidence in my hair. So, yay. All right, I need to get this done. You guys want to watch me clean my messy kitchen? I don't know that you really want to. It's gross. I didn't unload the dishwasher last night. So all the dinner dishes are in the sink. It is what it is. I don't do that often, but whatever. Whatever. I may give you sneak peeks. We'll see. If you see them, you see them. If you don't, you don't.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning, my head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning?
It's just cleaned up. All that's cleaned up. I need to now go through the ice box, get rid of things that are ready to go, leftovers, that kind of stuff, and then make sure those get into the dishwasher too. Wipe down my counters, clean off my stove. It is 7:40, so I'm making really good time. And then, yeah, So I'm gonna let you guys watch that, I guess. I don't know, maybe you'll like it. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
I get to end my video from this morning. It actually cut out on me when I was talking to you because the battery died. Whatever. So you got to get another tidy with me. Let me know what you're thinking about that. And this is like the after effect of the day with my hair, but I did get wet this morning because it was raining, so that kind of does a number as it is. Hi, Sheila the girl. I just got in from the grocery store. I'm actually fixing to film the grocery haul and menu plan for you guys for tomorrow. But I wanted to end this video so that when I'm done putting all those groceries away and getting dinner going, that I could sit down and finish editing so I could get it up on time. But yes, so I don't know what I was gonna say. I don't think you got to see that after, ooh, excuse you, after I cleaned out my fridge. I didn't pull out any containers. I was going to keep them. We were going to have it left overnight. And then I got to thinking, I thought, no, I'm going to stick with my menu plan. And so I pulled them out and I froze the beans and the rice that I had made. I will actually reuse those as sides for another meal on this upcoming menu plan that you'll see on Friday or Saturday. I might do another tipsy tag, I don't know. Either way, so you'll see that again. And then I froze the rest of our roast from last night's dinner because it shreds so good. I'm going to use that to make another meal again this upcoming week. So instead of it going to waste or people complaining they have to eat leftovers, which nobody really would have, I just decided to freeze them and I will utilize them. Yes, I will utilize them. So I'm going to end this video so I can go film the grocery haul and get those put away and get the evening going. So that's how we get videos done when we're working full time. We just do it and get in and get done what you can get done. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.